Next Level Pro Shop.
With the most experience, he is the obvious choice. He is the best in the city. While supplying Ebonite International, anything not in shop and any brand can be ordered and in your hands within 1 to 2 business days. The only ball driller in Springfield, Missouri to have drilled multiple bowling balls for a national champ, having drilled multiples for 5 national championships. A one-stop pro shop, he can satisfy each and every need that you could possibly have. The most trusted driller in Springfield. Many of his customers come from all over the country to have him drill their equipment.
Come on down to Next Level Pro Shop. You won't be sorry.